Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Hunter Call of the Wild. Next video, I will do any map that y'all pick from the comments. I'll do any map y'all want. I don't have every map in the game, but I have some of them. I'll put them in the comments what I have. But today I'm going to be hunting in the Silver Ridge Peaks map. Or something else. Alright, so here's all the reserves I have. That one, that one, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna be fishing, I'm gonna be hunting, and the Silver Ridge Peaks. Jesus, love you. Again, here. I haven't played Hunter Call of the Wild in so long. Let me pull out my weapons again. Ah. No sight, it's crazy. Wrong scope. Okay, that's my night scope. There's the good scope. Alright, let's go. The goal in today's video is to kill any animal on this map. So let's go try to find us an animal. And we will take a shot at it. What time is it? It's 14. Oh, yeah, we need to go. We need to go to like 7 in the morning to get a good shot on something. Okay. Rest what? 7:20. What is that? Bison. Nope, that's not a bison. That is a bush. The last time I played Hunter Call of the Wild was when they came out with the feeders. Yep, that's definitely something. That is definitely not something. That is something, though. Shot him. Stun him again. And he is mad, so we're gonna pump him again. Oh, I have to reload. Oh, shoot. You might be cooked here, guys. Pumped him. Pumped him again. Pumped him again. Oh, yeah, we might be cooked. Oh, I missed. Such bad aim. Finally. Alright, guys. That was part 1 of us killing an animal. Alright, I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. Peace. Tell me put in the comments what map I should hunt on next. Peace.